Good afternoon, students. Myself Pragnesh Polara from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus, Junagadh. Today we are going to solve the question paper of Basic Mathematics, which was in summer 2014, dated 11th of June. So today we are going to solve this question paper with answer and with options. So let us start the solution with the question number 1, which is of MCQs. So here the first question is to fill in the blanks using appropriate choice from the given options. The first question is, as we can see in the screen, the first question is if log a upon b plus log b upon a is equal to log a plus b, then so the question is like that: log a upon b plus log b upon a, that is equal to log a plus b. This is given in the question. So our option is equal to log a plus b. Then which one of the options is true? So from here we can say that this is log a upon b, that is log a minus log b, and this is log b upon a, that is log b minus log a, right? So this is equal to log a plus b. Okay, so this is minus plus, all out, all the cancels, so we will get log a plus b, that is the right hand side, and that is equal to 0. And we all know that log 1 is equal to 0, so we can put 0 is equal to log 1 if we cancel out the log, or we can say if we take anti-logarithms both sides, then we will get a plus b is equal to 1. So this is our answer. If log a upon b plus log b upon a, that is equal to log a plus b, then we will get a plus b is equal to 1. If we see in the screen, that is our answer b. So b, that is a plus b is equal to 1. So our answer is b for the first MCQ. Okay, so this one is for the first one. If we discuss about the second one, the question second is log tan theta plus log cot theta, that is equal to, second is log tan theta plus log cot theta, right? And we need the answer of this one. So that is very clear that we know that log a plus log b, that is equal to log into a into b. We know that log a plus log b, that is equal to log a into b, which is the property of logarithms. So if we use this property over here, then we will get log tan theta plus log cot theta, that is equal to, so log tan theta plus log cot theta, that will be log tan theta into cot theta, right? So we know that tan theta and cot theta are inverse of each other, so tan theta into cot theta, that is equal to 1, and log 1 is equal to 0, as we discussed in the previous MCQ that log 1 is equal to 0. So here the answer will be 0, and that is also in the option B. So our answer of the second question is also B, right? This is the solution of second one. If we move on the third question, then the third one is if log x base 7 is equal to 1, then x is equal to, right? This is the question. Then x is equal to blank. Okay, so we know that if log x base a is equal to y, then x is equal to a raised to y, right? In this case a is equal to 7 and y is equal to 1. So from this property we will get, if log x base 7 is equal to 1, then x is equal to 7 raised to 1, and that is equal to 7. So 7 is our answer, and 7 is in option C. So our answer is C for the third one, right? Our answer is C for the third question. In the same way, if we move for the fourth one, the question is determinant of 1 log x base y, log y base x and 1, that is equal to blank. So that is very clear that 1 into 1, that is equal to 1, minus this one is equal to log x base y into log y base x. That is the solution of, that is the expansion of determinant of 2 by 2. So this one is equal to 1 minus, again if we use the property of logarithm, then log x base y, we can write log x base y is equal to log x upon log y. In the same way, into multiplication, this is log y upon log x. So this one all cancel out, so we will get 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0, and the 0 is in the answer B. So again our answer for the fourth question will be B, right? This is the fourth one, right? In the same way, let us move to the fifth question. Fifth question is, if a is equal to, if a is equal to, that is minus 7 6 5 minus 2, okay, then find a into I, then a into I. So this is very straightforward question. For any matrix, we know that if we multiply any matrix with the identity matrix, then the answer remains same, that is a into I is equal to a. So our answer is equal to a, and a is minus 7 6 5 minus 2, which is given in the option C. So our answer is C, right? So this is the answer of C, right? This is the answer of the fifth one. That is very clear question. That is the property of matrix. If we multiply any matrix with the identity matrix, or I can say with the unit matrix, then a into I is equal to a for any matrix. So this is the fifth one. Now move to the sixth question. Sixth question is, if a is equal to minus 8 4 minus 6 3, if a is equal to minus 8 4 minus 6 3, then transpose of a. Again, this is very easy question to solve. We know that if we want to find the transpose of any we need to find a inverse. So question is find then a inverse. So if we want to find a inverse, then the formula for a inverse, that is adjoint of a upon determinant of a. And here for 2 by 2 matrix, first determinant of a, that is equal to minus 24 and plus 24 here, right? That is minus 8 into 3, that is minus 24, plus, because here minus, so minus minus plus 6 into 4, that is also 24. So here determinant of a is equal to 0, and we know that here the formula is adjoint of a upon determinant of a. If determinant of a is equal to 0, then inverse of any matrix is not possible. So here we cannot find the inverse for the given matrix, right? So here A inverse does not exist, which is the answer D in the question. So our answer is D, that A inverse does not exist, right? This is the answer of sixth question, because determinant of A is equal to 0. So this one is for the sixth one. Now if we move to the seventh question, the seventh question is if A is equal to 1 minus 3 4 and minus 2 1 2, then the question is to find transpose of A, right? So this is very straightforward question. If we want to find the transpose of any given matrix, then we need to convert first row into first column and the second row into second column, and in the same way we will get here transpose of A. This is the first column, is the first row of this matrix, that will 1 minus 3 4, so 1 minus 3 4, and this one is minus 2 1 2. So this is the transpose of A, and this answer is given in the option C. So again our answer is C for the seventh one, right? For the eighth question, the question is 4 pi by 9 radian is equal to how much degree, right? So it is quite clear that pi radian, that is equal to 180 degree. So here if I put pi is equal to 180, so upon 9, so this will be 20 into 4, that is 80 degree, right? So our answer is 80 degree, and the answer will be in option B. So now our answer for the eighth question, that is option B, because pi radian is equal to 180 degree, as we all know. So this is the solution of eighth blank. Let us quickly move to the ninth question. The ninth one is the principal period of cos 2x by 3 plus 5. Before I give the answer of this question, I want to tell you that as we all know, the principal period of A cos bx plus c, right? Principal period of A cos bx plus c, that is given by 2 pi upon mod b, right? So here in this case b is equal to 2 by 3, which is the coefficient of x. Here b is equal to 2 by 3. So by this formula, the principal period is equal to 2 pi upon 2 by 3, that will be 3 pi, right? This is the principal period for cos 2x by 3 plus 5, that is 2 pi upon 2 by 3, 2 will be cancelled and the answer will be 3 pi, and the answer is given in options D. So our answer is D for the ninth blank. Okay, so this is the ninth one. Now if we move to the 10th question, then the 10th question is given that 10th question is sine pi by 8 plus sine 9 pi by 8. Okay, so we need to find the answer of this question. Here first of all I want to find the value of sine 9 pi by 8, then I will put the value of sine 9 pi by 8 in this expression. So sine 9 pi by 8, that is equal to sine, this one equal to pi plus pi by 8. Okay, pi plus pi by 8, that is equal to 9 pi by 8. Okay, so if we move to the unit circle, here 0, here there is pi by 2, here pi, here 3 pi by 2, and again there is 2 pi. So now this is all STC. If we look at the pi plus pi by 8, then here pi, so pi plus pi by 8 will be in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant sign is negative, so the answer will be minus sine pi by 8. So now here sine pi by 8, sine 9 pi by 8 is equal to minus sine pi by 8. So sine pi by 8 minus sine pi by 8, that is equal to 0. So answer is 0, and the 0 answer is given in option C, right? So our answer is C for the 10th one, right? Let us move to the 11th question. The 11th question is sine 40 plus sine 20, right? This is the 11th question. Find sine 40 plus sine 20 degree. We need to find the answer of this. So this is the clear cut. The idea is sine A plus B. If we know the formula for sine A plus sine B, then we can easily find sine 40 plus sine 20, right? The sine A plus sine B is equal to S plus S, that is 2 SC, that is 2 sine